Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn one of simple issue which mostly we get on daily basis, where user called you and is stating that I'm not able to access my virtual machine. So user logged in. So this is user logged in with the Citrix URL and user is not able to launch trading desktop. It is published trading desktop. All right, so user clicked on trading desktop and it says cannot start desktop, trading desktop. All right, so you have to check which trading desktop is assigned to the user. Now we log in to the director. All right, so I already logged in with my ID, and I will search the machine name which is assigned to the user, which is Citrix SVR01. All right, now after see, I could see the maintenance mode is on the machine. That's what user is getting, that error message is not able to connect. Why this happening is when user clicked multiple time on the Citrix icon, the virtual machine icon, it moved to the maintenance mode. So we have to remove this maintenance mode. All right, and we need to ask user to give a try again to access the trading desktop. Now there is no error message and it is ready to open. So click on open. Now user is able to access the trading desktop, the Citrix trading desktop, which is published. That's it. Thank you.